someone. Why are we all in this room?
Really bad.
Oh, excuse me. I don't see anyone. Keep going. Guys, move up. Guys, move up, move up. Guys. Woo. Surrender! Surrender! Hit! Oh, my back! Nice shot though! Oh! No one pushed up!
I did. I was in the bus.
One more round, guys, one more round. Yeah, there's no one over here, guys!
Well, if we all push this way, then we can take them out over here and go around the line.
That's not how it works. If we have everyone over here,
Then they're just...
just gonna rush us over here.
Hey guys, we're on
Never
this
mind, we
side.
got some guys. Where did you
Yeah, just go down that way, guys, go down that way. We need more down that way.
What side?
Got it.
Is it blinking or is it still?
It's still.
I'm not beating though.
You had a BBs in your AFP9? shotgun. Oh yeah, dude. It's alright. I think I shattered his light. I'm pretty sure I shattered his light. Oh yeah. I was just streaming all the way out. He was still on the red barrier when I got him out.
That's what I was doing earlier.
No, he didn't call out until I shattered.
I don't know how. I
I
heard you.
did something and he just pissed off. Yeah, he's been zapped many times before. Do you have it on video? Amazing. Just show them to him. I like watching kids get zapped. And then they pout the whole game.
I think one of my friends got sat out on accident.
Oh,
He was
yeah.
accused of cheating, but he wasn't.
I got accused like 5 times of running and surrendering. I'm like, come on, man. I'm using a shotgun and I'm tactical walking in work clothes. Are you guys moving up or are you staying?
Moving up.
I want cover.
Okay.
Oh,
Well, I
yeah.
got a stream all the way down the right side.
Yeah,
So
go
we're
ahead.
moving up.
Yo, one front, one front, one front. Yo, Andrew, one straight in front of you.
I was in front of and then he moved up.
Go, 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 go. Cover you. Nelson, straight front, straight front.
Oh, no. Andrew, back.
Straight down, straight down.
Oh, I didn't wind it. That's why. Can you wind it for a bit? Oh, unless I'm still winded.
Hurry up and leave.
Ran out, man.
Crossing, crossing, crossing. Push up, guys, push up, push up.
Flexing still, flexing.
Move up, move up, move up.